everyone get excited because Rakhi is coming. So this time I thought to make some DIY Rakhis at home. For that I have taken some old latkans, some beads, one scissor, fevicol if needed, and thread. At first remove the knot from the latkan like this. Now, now pull the beads towards the back and cut out the knot at the end of the latkan and remove the ghungroos from there. Do as I am swaying with the help of a scissor. Pull another thread from the back side and it will look like this. Now repeat this thing with another lotkan. Now remove the excess thing that we won't need for the Rakhi. If you wish to keep the ghungru, you can keep them. If not, just cut it out and remove them from the end. And now it is looking like this. Okay, so now take one of them and remove the flower and one ring from the back side. Take another one and remove the big pearl and the ring with the flowers. This will look like this after removing the excess part. Now transfer all of them into one. Arrange them like the another side and make the beautiful Rakhi at home. I was facing difficulty while putting the beads because the thread was too wide to put the beads in that. But keep calm, you can do it. Put all of them like the another side and your DIY Rakhi is ready. Just tie the knot at both ends to secure the beads and surprise your brother with DIY Rakhis. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, now make another one. For that you can use the leftover thread or you can take another thread and leftover beads. I'm trying to put one bead at the side and I have secured another end with a knot. Okay, now I have put the bead on the end and now I am going to put another bead for the another thread just like this. Now I will put another green one. You can adjust the color according to your need, your choice or your availability. I am putting green one. This bead has two holes in one bead. Now I am putting some red beads. Again giving it the look. I'll make another two like this. Yes, I have done. Now I will put the ring like structure in it and now the flower in it. Now I'll put the big pearl in the middle and just like this I'll make another side. Look how it is looking beautiful, right? Oh, wow, the Rakhi is ready. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you.